My name is Noman. There was a time in my life when I worked hard, but nobody noticed. I practiced English every day. I studied quietly. I tried to improve myself, but no one praised me. No one said, "You are improving." Sometimes it felt discouraging. I looked at others. Some people received appreciation quickly. Some people were noticed easily. I started thinking, maybe my effort is not enough. Maybe I am not improving. Maybe I should stop trying. One evening, I was sitting on the roof of my house. I felt tired and disappointed. My father came and sat beside me. He noticed my silence and asked, "What are you thinking?" I told him everything. I told him I was working hard, but nobody noticed. He listened quietly. Then he pointed to the sky. It was getting dark. Stars slowly appeared. He asked, "Do you see the stars?" I nodded. He said, "Stars shine every night. But we only notice them when the sky is dark." His words made me think. He continued, "Your effort is like those stars. Even if people don't notice now, your effort is still shining. Hard work always creates results, even when nobody is watching." That night, I thought deeply about his words. The next day, I decided to continue working. I practiced English daily. I learned new words. I read short articles. I spoke slowly but consistently. Days passed. Weeks passed. Slowly, I noticed changes. I understood conversations better. I spoke more confidently. I felt stronger inside. One day, during class, my teacher asked a question in English. Without hesitation, I answered. The teacher smiled. He said, "Your English has improved." That moment made me happy. But something more important happened. I realized I did not need that praise anymore, because I had already seen my progress. Now, I understand something clearly. Effort is never wasted. Even when nobody notices, you are growing. Success often happens quietly, like seeds growing under the soil. No one sees the growth, but it is happening. Today, I still work quietly. I still improve step by step, because I know effort always creates results. Final thought. Do not stop working just because nobody notices. Your growth is happening, even in silence. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep working quietly. And always remember, your effort matters, even when nobody sees it.